It's important for Uber to listen to driver feedback because we're the people out there on the road.
We're very passionate about driving and we take it seriously.
We want to see the improvement. We want to be about the change. How do we do that on all fronts?
I've seen a lot of input coming from drivers, a lot of ideas. I've seen a very positive acceptance and reception from Uber executives and Uber employees.
Everyone really cares about the input of the drivers.
One of the most exciting things here at the forum was an unexpected visit by Dara when he walked into the room and took questions from us.
I'm about servant leadership. I think that is what is coming across from your CEO. And that's something that is intangible but tangible in its results.
Many of Uber executives actually do driving to have first-hand experience.
They're actually really listening and taking in what we think.
There are a lot of new things that they're rolling out. It was nice to pinpoint what they're looking to improve and to get our input.
The app is evolving and there are more features and more things happening. When it comes to safety, what I'm looking for is not only good, but better and best.
My favorite feature on the Uber app is a safety toolkit. Knowing that I can drive at any time, and if I ever feel like my safety is at risk, I know that I'm going to get a response.
Everyone wants to work together to make the driver experience as good as the passenger experience.
I want other drivers to know that Uber leadership and people who can actually make the app better and the whole experience better are listening. The fact that Uber is holding this forum tells you that Uber cares.
My experience during this forum has been eye-opening. This has been a tremendous opportunity to be part of this type of vision.
It really was engaging, and it felt good from the driver standpoint.
The experience has been priceless.
This is going only to get bigger and better, which is the ultimate goal.